Well, tonight, hundreds of thousands of dollars will be doled out in Anderson County. Glad you're here, folks. For WVLT News at 5, I'm Ted Hall.
I'm Brittany Tarwater. Thanks for being with us. Nearly $500,000 being rewarded to several groups happening right now. It's all part of the state's opioid settlement funds.
Let's get to our Lexi Lepoff. She's joining us here. You're looking into where that money is going, maybe where it should go. What did you learn?
Yeah, Ted and Brittany, Anderson County is receiving just more than $425,000 in this year's funding cycle for the settlement. Those deciding who gets what tells me the origins of the funds are unfortunate, but now it's allowing them to open doors that wouldn't exist otherwise.
$10,000 or $20,000 in the right place at the right time makes a huge difference.
Anderson County dishing out nearly $500,000. The grants coming from the state's opioid settlement fund. Tennessee will receive more than $1 billion over the next 18 years.
There's a lot of agencies that are out there working that may not directly be tied to opioids, but they are feeling some of the effects of it.
County commissioners making the call on who gets money say they know the solution isn't one size fits all, awarding about 15 different groups, all hitting the issue of substance misuse from several angles.
It's helped us open a door that wasn't there, and we'll put it to good use.
Free Medical Clinic is using the thousands they were awarded to support their new mental health focused program, addressing illnesses often associated with addiction.
Working with patients to make certain that they're showing up for their appointments, that we're addressing any kind of barriers they might have for good mental health services.
They're also adding a patient navigator, a newly created position to make sure people are getting the services they need and overcoming any obstacles to get the right care.
Someone cannot deal with their substance abuse or their opioid abuse if they're dealing with homelessness. They need many different types of services.
The fund's creating new avenues of help that didn't exist before.
I regret the circumstances that led to it being created, but I think that we're making the most of a really tough situation.
Now, about 30 organizations applied for these funds and only 15 were awarded different amounts. Now, the funding is annual, so county leaders say a new grant cycle starts on July 1st and more groups will get to benefit in the next round.
Lexi, thank you.